Hi there, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. The climate of Nigeria is generally termed tropical, though there are wide climatic variation in different regions of the country. Unlike in Europe and most part of the world, where we have the summer, the winter, fall, and spring, the seasons in Nigeria are three. The wet season, which is referred to as rainy season, which starts from April to October. The dry season, which runs from November to March. And the seasonal harmattan phenomenon, which begins from late December and peaks in mid-January and wanes by the end of February. For those who don't know what the harmattan season is, it is a unique kind of weather condition characterized by cold, dry wind and heavy dust-laden particles. It gets so dry that one's lips start to cut if it's not well glossed. Words connected to the weather and how to say them in Nigerian Pidgin English. Most adjectives in Nigerian Pidgin English can be used in English to describe the weather condition. Words like nice, terrible, bad, ugly, cold, bright, fine, warm, great. The slang word bam for great can also be used. Words connected to weather like shine, wet, cloudy, sunny, dry, hot, heat, umbrella, raincoat, rain boot, jacket, sweater, coat are words that are commonly used in Nigerian Pidgin English as well. Let's look at complete sentences with some of these words. The weather dey hot today. The weather no dey fine today. The weather dey bad today. The weather dey bam today. E dey cold die today. E dey hot today. Harmattan period dey come. Rainy season don dey near. Sun dey shine seriously today. In Nigerian Pidgin English, there are two ways to say it's raining. We use the verb fall and as an auxiliary to rain to say specifically that it's raining. Rain dey fall. It's raining. Or we use the verb rain itself. E dey rain. It's raining. Weather preference sentences. I like rainy season. I no like harmattan period. I prefer hot season. Let's look at some weather sentences with key sentences in Nigerian Pidgin English. E dey rain now. Rain dey fall now. It's raining now. Simple present. E go rain later. Rain go fall later. It'll rain later. Future simple. E rain yesterday. E been rain yesterday. It rained yesterday. Simple past. E don rain this morning. It has rained this morning. Present perfect. Sentences about how one feels about the weather. Cold dey catch me. I'm cold. Cold dey worry them. They are cold. Heat dey worry her. She's hot. Heat won't kill me here. Questions about the weather. Rain dey fall. E dey rain. Sun dey shine. Heat dey catch you. Let's look at some weather advice. Put on your sweater. It's very cold today. Wear your sweater. E dey cold today. It's rainy today. Take the umbrella. Rain dey fall today. Carry the umbrella. Let's go to the beach. It's very hot. Make we go beach. E dey hot. Close the window. It's windy today. Close the window. E dey windy today. It's cloudy today. It may rain. Stay at home. E dey cloudy today. Rain fit fall. Stay for house. These are some of the ways you can tell the weather condition in Nigerian Pidgin English. I hope you guys have learned something about the weather. So start using the words that you've learned. I'm Bafo. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep it locked on BDNP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. Pieces in. Bye.